Our business thrives on happy customers, so when they write to tell us we did a good job, we love to share their feedback so they know we appreciate their words. Happy customers that leave great feedback like this motivates us to want to keep them happy by providing the best service possible to each and every one of them, each and every time. It's that simple. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to our customers, and in return, we have incredibly loyal customers. See, and you'll be amazed. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. Hope to see you soon.